Are you looking for the best microSD card? I have compiled a list of top 5 microSD card this year. These microSD cards are hand-picked based on the overall design, hardware, customer reviews, and expert reviews. I will show each of the microSD card strengths and weaknesses. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1, SanDisk 256GB Ultra MicroSD XE UHSI Memory Card. The SanDisk 256GB Ultra MicroSD XE UHSI Memory Card also carries a Class 10 rating, which refers to a write speed of 10 MB per second. This speed class makes it ideal for heavier applications such as burst photo shooting and 4K filming. Extra bonus points for its 10-year limited manufacturer warranty, with most picks on this list offering 3 and 5-year warranties. This SD memory card also has a dedicated smartphone app, SanDisk Memory Zone, to help find and transfer files from all of your storage devices and locations, with extra features to search media by timeline or geotag. Number 2, Samsung 128GB 100 MB per second microSD XE EVO Select Memory Card. Despite not matching up to the advertised read speed of 100 MB per second, the Samsung EVO Select Memory Card is still very impressive nonetheless, and has a variety of SD memory sizes to choose from. Like the SanDisk 256GB Ultra MicroSD XE UHSI Memory Card, the Samsung 128GB 100 MB per second U3 MicroSD XE EVO Select Memory Card is also a rugged workhorse, beating extreme conditions with an IEC 60529 and IPX7 waterproof rating and operating in temperatures as low as -25 degrees Fahrenheit. Shorter bursts of activity in the blistering Arizona desert or bone-chilling Alaska plains should not affect its data recovery. You may also want to learn about the best USB flash drive for another storage option. Number 3, Silicon Power 64GB 3D NAND High-Speed MicroSD Card. This card offers respectable read speeds of up to 80 MB per s, 20 MB per s slower than our top 2. Storage capacity is good for approximately 20 hours of 720p HD, making it serviceable for the average value-conscious photographer, Nintendo Switch gamer, or heavy smartphone user who wants to extend their device's storage space. Points are deducted from the Silicon Power 64GB 3D NAND high-speed microSD card for its average 5-year limited warranty, far from SanDisk's and Samsung's 10-year limited warranty, which protects against data loss under normal usage conditions. However, 5 years should be more than enough for non-intensive users. Number 4, Microcenter 64GB Class 10 MicroSD XE Flash Memory Card. The Microcenter 64GB Class 10 MicroSD XE Flash Memory Card also tests its metal in temperatures as high as 185 degrees Fahrenheit, so snapping and storing shots in Death Valley's blistering terrain should be no trouble. It's even airport X-ray proof to keep safe, a must for frequent travelers running through security like a marathon. We also love the best SSD, but of course it isn't as compact. Number 5, Gigastone MicroSD Card 32GB. The Gigastone microSD card is the perfect beginner's microSD card, offering 32 GB of storage and read or write speeds of up to 90 or 20 MB or s. This is good enough for blazing quick playback of up to 4,900 songs, 8,400 photos, and 180 minutes of 1080 video. This should be enough for hobbyists, but not media professionals such as photographers and videographers who could use a higher capacity, high read/write card.